These are hanami dango made of rice balls. I got this roasted chestnut. It's called yakiguri in Japanese. There is a beach here. Mountain this side. River and cherry blossoms. If any of you plan a trip to Japan in Feb or March, definitely include Kawazu in your trip. This is Brinda. Welcome back to my channel and let's get started. This is the limited express train between Tokyo and Izuku Shimoda. We are boarding this train from Kawasaki station and travel for about 2 hours and 15 minutes to reach a beautiful town in Shizuoka Prefecture called Kawazu. Let's explore the facilities in Odoriko train. The train here in Japan are generally clean. They have a proper disposal system in place. And when I was standing by the door side, I observed many Japanese people coming with their kids and making them dispose the waste. They really are raising highly disciplined kids. That is maybe one of the secrets to a clean Japan. What do you think about that? We have come to Kawazu, which is a small town in Shizuoka Prefecture. Every view in this town is so mesmerizing. It's filled with cherry trees. Let's explore cherry blossom, visit a waterfall and go to the beach. That's the plan for the day. Let's start. We are heading out of the Kawazu railway station. Let's enjoy the beauty of Japan together. In Tokyo, the cherry blossom happens typically in the late March and early April. Trees here are early flowering variety of cherry tree. The blossom happens from the beginning of Feb to early March. There are so many shops here. I'm excited to try some street food. Kochira vegetarian desu ka? Niku haite nai desu.
No niku.
No niku. These are hanami dango made of rice balls. It's quite popular during cherry blossom viewing. Let's try. Nice. It usually comes with 3 colors, pink, white and green. All 3 colors taste the same. It's sweetened rice balls.
500円ですね。
I got this roasted chestnut. It's called yakiguri in Japanese. Let's try it. It tastes like sweet potato. Let's get going and enjoy the cherry blossom by Kawazu riverside. Wow, a spectacular scenery. I love it. The cherry blossom and the nature in Kawazu is mind-blowing. Next, let's head towards the waterfall. We have to board a bus and travel for 20 minutes. Let's go. We have come to Nanadaru waterfalls. Nana means 7 in Japanese and Daru is waterfalls. So it's a series of 7 waterfalls and it's inside a hiking trail, forest hiking trail. We have to walk for about 1 kilometer and enjoy the view. Let's go. Our first waterfall is Shokaidare. It's a 10-meter fall and this is the statue of a dancer. It's considered an excellent photo point. We have to climb these stairs to go to the next fall. Let's go. I love waterfalls. I'm so happy right now. We get to see 7 of them. Full water flowing sound. We are right now walking towards Kamadaru. Let's go. Suspension bridge. Pretty cool suspension bridge. It has stairs. I'm loving this trip. It's getting super adventurous. Look at the view. Wow. Amazing. There is another suspension bridge. Here we have some history of these 7 waterfalls. Basically, Kawazu River flows in the lavas from Noborio Minami volcano, which formed the 7 falls. Approximately 25,000 years ago, this place was filled with lava. Now it's beautiful and pleasant. That's the beauty of nature. And this is the wishing rock. We can wish for something and throw these little stones at that point for the wish to come true. I'm not wishing for anything in particular. Let's try for fun. Oh, close. Hote, the deity of good fortune and happiness, this god looks similar to Kubera, the Hinduism god of wealth. Let's get going and see the last 3 waterfalls, I guess, and then head back to Kawazu station and go to the beach and close our day. Let's go to the last one, which is Odoriko. It is the tallest with 30-meter fall. Lot of walking and lot of stairs. Let's head back and go to the beach. We are back to the bus stop. It is 4:30 p.m. right now. We don't have internet, so I could not check the bus timing on Google Maps. But we don't have to panic because the bus timing is written here. Let me show you. Kawazu stations, we have to board C50. That is at 5:20 p.m. I started to feel hungry, so let's eat the remaining chestnut while waiting for the bus. It's 5:45 p.m. right now. I got down at the wrong bus stop, so we have to walk for 2 more kilometers to go to the beach. Anyway, let's go. The beach is here, I could see, but it is super dark. I could not capture it on my phone and show it to you guys. So let's close our vlog at this point. Until next time, Brinda. Bye bye.